Your handset allows you to choose a distinct ringtone for incoming calls. To change your ringtones, press on the Select button in the center of your navigation key. This will open the phone menu. Scroll to the Settings menu. Then press the OK soft key. Scroll down to Audio and press the OK soft key. Then scroll down to Ringtones and press the OK soft key. Scroll down to Melodies, then press the OK soft key. You have two types of melodies you can change: the intercom call, which is the ringtone used for internal calls, or if you scroll down, you have the name of your phone, which is the ringtones for external calls. Select whether you are changing the internal or external ringtone. Then use the left and right navigation keys to listen to the different ringtone options. Press the Save soft key to set.